Hello, good day to you. Welcome to our channel. Please stay and watch to the end as we put together strings of geometrical facts to get this problem solved in calculating the size of the angle X. First, we have angle ABC to be a right angle. That is, ABC is 90 degrees as given. Given also from triangle ABC is the fact that side AB is equal to side BC. And as a result of that, triangle ABC is isosceles. And if triangle ABC is isosceles, it simply means that angle BAC is equal to angle ACB, being the base angles of isosceles triangle ABC. With this established, we can proceed to finding the angle sum of the triangle ABC. And the angle sum of any triangle is 180 degrees. So we can say that angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle ABC must give 180 degrees. And this simply means that angle BAC plus angle ACB plus 90 degrees that ABC is must add up to 180 degrees, and subtracting 90 from both sides, angle BAC plus angle ACB must be equal to 90 degrees. And that has been established before that BAC and ACB are equal. That simply means that BAC is equal to ACB, and if the two of them add up to 90, then each of them should be 90 divided by 2, such that angle BAC is 45 degrees and angle ACB is 45 degrees. In like manner, triangle ACD is also an isosceles triangle. This is because AC is equal to the side CD, and as such, angle CAD is equal to angle ADC, being the base angles of triangle ACD. However, a look at angle ACB shows that it's equal to the sum of CAD and ABC, which is angle X that we are looking for, being the exterior angle to those two angles, the opposite angles to it. And that simply means that 45 degrees is equal to angle CAD plus angle ADC. And we have established before that CAD and ADC are equal. So that means each of them is 45 degrees divided by 2. Hence, CAD is equal to ADC, which is 45 degrees divided by 2. That is, CAD is equal to ADC, which is 22.5 degrees. Thus, ADC, which is X that we have to look for, is 22.5 degrees. We believe you have learned the strings of geometrical facts needed to solve this question. Leave your thoughts in the comments box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can enjoy more of our math tutorial.